Is Bluetooth always safe?
Bluetooth technology is everywhere, from headphones to smart home devices. Many believe it's completely safe, but is that really true? Let's take a closer look at common Bluetooth myths and separate fact from fiction so you can keep your devices and personal information secure.
Myth 1. Bluetooth connections are always secure.
Many people think any Bluetooth connection is automatically safe, but that's not the case. Bluetooth devices can be vulnerable to hacking, especially if left in discoverable mode, or when using weak pairing codes. Hackers have developed attacks like bluejacking and bluesnarfing to access nearby devices.
Myth 2. Bluetooth uses too little power to be risky.
Some believe that Bluetooth's short range makes it impossible for attackers to access devices. In reality, with the right equipment, hackers can intercept Bluetooth signals from farther away. Limited range does not guarantee privacy or safety. Caution is still needed.
Myth 3. Turning Bluetooth off isn't necessary.
Leaving Bluetooth on all the time may seem harmless, but it increases risk. Attackers can scan for open Bluetooth signals to identify or compromise devices. It's safer to turn Bluetooth off when you're not using it, especially in crowded public spaces.
Smart ways to use Bluetooth safely.
To keep your devices secure, only pair with trusted devices and avoid unknown connections. Turn off discoverable mode and disconnect Bluetooth when not in use. Regularly update your devices, as manufacturers often release security patches to protect against known vulnerabilities.
The bottom line, stay connected, stay safe.
Bluetooth is convenient and generally safe if used wisely, but it's not foolproof. By understanding the risks and following simple precautions, you can enjoy your wireless freedom without worry. Knowledge is the key to keeping your devices and information protected.